Here you go, guys. Today we will discuss about the Rhine and the law firm. Here are the bigger truck that called the 18-wheeler trucks. In these trucks accident, we will get to know about the compensation amount of the accident. Here is the contact number 210-360-9979. Text an attorney now. Pay only if we win. Here is the menu and live chat and the contact number. The San Antonio driver. The San Antonio truck driver. Rena Law Firm. After that, the accident attorney are here to help you out. And call the Rena Law Firm. We are ready to fight to get you deserve the justice. We are ready to fight to get you the justice you deserve. After that, one of the most important aspect and thing is talk to the attorney. After that, San Antonio truck accident attorney at the Rena Law Firm. San Antonio truck attorney at the Rena Law Firm. Understand the hardship that you need and your family are experiencing. We know that 18-wheeler accidents are far more likely to fatal cause of the severe injury than ones involving the passenger vehicle. Okay, in the Texas, these are alone, according to the TX dot. There were more than half of millions of the car accident data present here. So after that, of those accidents, 123 involved 18-wheeler and over 500 18-wheeler accidents were deadly. Furthermore, approximately 1.3% of the semi-truck accident results death. So this is all about the video, and thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay blessed.